unheard of problem: the president can't find a lawyer. Several top U.S. law firms have left President Donald Trump with few places to turn for legal help in the Russia probe. 5 large law firms are passing on the opportunity to represent the president after a shakeup last week on his private defense team and as he anticipates giving possible testimony to special counsel Robert Mueller's investigation. Well-known Washington lawyers cited several reasons for declining the president in recent weeks, according to multiple sources familiar with their decisions. Among them, Trump appears to be a difficult client and has rebuked some of his lawyers' advice. He's perceived as so politically unpopular he may damage reputations rather than boost them. Lawyers at large firms fear backlash from their corporate clients if they were to represent the president, and many want to steer clear of conflicts of interest that could complicate their other obligations. With the figure who is as polarizing as the president, it makes the decision about whether to represent him a more difficult one, said Philip West, chairman of large Washington law firm Steptoe & Johnson. The firm was among several to decline to represent Trump last year. Any large law firm has clients that have very strong feelings, even in a city with such a sizable legal industry. So many top lawyers and large law offices with white-collar and national security specialists have already been hired by witnesses, subjects and companies involved in the Mueller probe. Thus, few in town can take new clients at the center of it. The result is a previously unheard-of Washington problem. The President of the United States is struggling to build an experienced, large legal defense team as the special prosecutor digs into his campaign and administration. His official legal defense team consists of 2 lawyers, Cobb and J. Saccoullo, neither affiliated with a traditional law firm. The latest to turn down the invitation, Dan Webb and Tom Buchanan of the law firm Winston & Strawn, said Tuesday they were unable to take on the representation due to business conflicts. Webb and others at the firm represent the Ukrainian oligarch Dmytro Firtash in a criminal money laundering case in Chicago, where he continues to face possible extradition from Austria. Firtash was previously a business contact of indicted former Trump campaign chairman Paul Manafort, making the Ukrainian potentially connected to the Mueller probe. However, they consider the opportunity to represent the president to be the highest honor and they sincerely regret that they cannot do so. Webb and Buchanan's statement said they wish the president the best and believe he has excellent representation in Cobb and J. Saccoullo. While Saccoullo, the leader of a non-profit religious advocacy legal group and a talk radio personality, is Trump's sole remaining private defense counsel, Cobb works within the White House as a special counsel overseeing the Russia probe response. CreditEdition.cnn.com